guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have these right here. You want to know how to make this? You sure? Then don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Or should I say Cookmas Day 5, because we've been cooking since day 1. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to smash that bell so you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. And as promised, today we're going to be having low carb pigs in a blanket. So first, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. I always time my oven when I preheat for 15 minutes just to make sure that it's actually as hot as I want it to. So I'm going to put a kitchen timer for 15 minutes. There you go. So next I have 100% beef hot dogs, and I'm going to put them in the pan and pour water on it, making sure that the water covers the entire hot dogs. While the hot dogs are cooking for about 10 minutes, we're going to get a baking pan and we're going to spray that with a cooking spray and then lay it out with a parchment paper. So halfway through the cooking process, we're going to poke the hot dogs with a fork. We want to make sure that these cook evenly on the inside. So now the hot dogs are cooked and we can take them out of the pan one by one. For one recipe, you would need 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, which is 150 grams. But in this case, I am doing double the recipe, so I am going to grate 300 grams of mozzarella cheese, which is 3 cups. So this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. 2 tablespoons is 30 grams. But in this case, I'm doing a double batch, so I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons, and that would be 60 grams of cream cheese. So next, you want to pop this baby in the oven for about 90 seconds. So now our cheese is nicely melted. We're going to get a spatula and kind of combine the mozzarella and the cream cheese together. 2 eggs. Go ahead and break 2 eggs into the bowl. Next, we're gonna add 150 grams of almond flour. Again, guys, don't forget this is a doubled recipe. So now you want to go ahead and mix and combine the almond flour into the cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese. Now at this point, if you need to pop this baby back in the microwave, you can go ahead and do so for 30 seconds until everything is nicely combined. So now you want to roll into a ball after, of course, washing your hands. You want to make sure your hands are clean, guys. So continue to mix, roll into a ball, using your hands to knead
Continue kneading until you feel like all the cheese is melted into the dough, like so. Next, you have everything rolled up into a ball, and then you get a clean bowl. Spray some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray or whatever cooking spray you have, and then pick up the dough back into the bowl. And guys, this dough is called the Fathead pizza dough. It's a very popular dough in the ketogenic or low carb community, and this is used for so many different kinds of things, including pizza. So next, you want to spray that board, place some parchment paper over it, nicely, and then spray some more. The reason why you're spraying the parchment paper is to make sure that your dough releases nicely, and also it rolls out nicely on the board, because sometimes it could be really sticky, so you want to avoid that. So now that the dough is on the board, see how nicely rolled out it looks? So now you want to start rolling with a pin. Just really gently. You want to really handle this dough gently. Turn it around and roll some more, making sure that you have an almost even surface. Wow. Look at how beautiful that looks, guys. So this is why you have that spray. Okay? So now just you want to eyeball, the rolled out dough, and then you want to cut the dough into 6 places. In this case, we're cutting the dough into 6 different places. Reason being that we already have 6 hot dogs. Now, guys, this dough can actually be rolled out some more. The reason why I didn't roll out any more is because I don't have that large surface area. Otherwise, you can get almost maybe 10 or even more pieces from this dough. So in this case, we're only doing 6. So don't waste that part, guys. That little part right there, just lift it up and place it onto the next dough. Like so. So next, you want to get your hot dogs and you want to gently roll. Yes, gently roll it like that. You want to be really gentle with the dough, guys. At this point, the dough is really good. The texture of this dough is fantastic. So it's not breaking, nothing like that. So this is absolutely beautiful. This is exactly what you want. At this point, I'm already dancing. I'm excited. So now everything is laid down, and then you want to egg wash each one of them using a brush. So the reason for this egg wash is to make sure that you have like a really nice, smooth, shiny surface at the end of the day. So once this is done, I'm going to grab my magical Trader Joe's everything but the bagel. Everything but the bagel. Yeah, that's a very wonderful spice right there. A lot of people use it in the ketogenic world and in the low carb world. It's very popular. It's a mixture of sesame seeds, garlic, black pepper. So now it's cooked. How beautiful, nice and golden brown. Looking all gorgeous. How delicious. I don't know if pigs in a blanket can be gorgeous, but it looks beautiful. And now I just want to break dance. Job well done, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed
Delicious.
watching this. Ah, look at how beautiful that is.
Some more.
Oh, Lord. There you go. Gorgeous.
How cool is that, guys? This is so good. Hey guys,
So beautiful.
how fun was that? Oh my god, I had so much fun shooting this video. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for being so patient. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Now, look at this pastry. How beautiful is this? How cool is this? Low carb doesn't mean you have to be boring. There's so much out there. You just have to explore. And don't forget to come to this page right here, this channel right here, because we're going to be doing a lot of these in the subsequent weeks. So thank you so much. And if you haven't liked this video yet, don't do that right now. And if you haven't subscribed, stop watching. Go subscribe right now. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.